I invite you now to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's take a nice cleansing, healing breath. Breathing in and exhale. Let your body relax. Allow yourself to come into this present moment. Good. And we begin to relax our physical body. As our body relaxes, our mind can become calmer and quieter. And we can start to tune in to our true nature as spiritual beings. Spiritual beings having a human experience. Breathing in and breathing out. Sometimes the most simplest things can help us to relax and let go. Remembering to breathe. When we get tense or stressed, the breath can become short. We can become tense. But during this time, we remind ourselves of what well-being is by breathing, by relaxing, by tuning in to our true essence, our true nature. That truly is always okay. That part of us that is always whole and complete. So we send the message to every muscle. Relax and let go. We start with the feet and we move up the body and we just send the message. Relax, 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 relax. We feel the calves, the thighs relaxing and letting go. We feel our hands and fingers and wrists relaxing, our forearms, our biceps, our shoulders. We feel our chest, the muscles in our chest relaxing and letting go. The muscles in our shoulders, our back. Relax and let go. Relax and let go. Feel our hips relaxing, the pelvic area relaxing. Our whole body, letting go, letting go, letting go. We relax the muscles in our neck, the front, the back, the sides. We relax the muscles in our face, the cheeks, the eyes, the ears, the nose, the lips, the tongue, the forehead, the scalp, from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Scanning your body now, bringing your awareness from the bottoms of your feet all the way to the top of your head. And notice, is there any place that needs to let go? You might want to gently tense and relax that part of your body. Good, let yourself relax. There's no such thing as a bad meditation. Taking time to relax is important. Taking time to let go is important. Give your body a deep rest. And now we begin to concentrate the mind. Concentration is not something of strain. You're not straining. Concentration is developing interest. It's focusing the mind. And that is a rare quality indeed these days, with all the distractions of advertising, of phones, computers, all the different things. I won't remind you of all of them, but there's a lot going on. So taking time now to focus the mind is a type of training. Focusing the mind, remembering that I am not my mind. I have a mind. I have a mind. And the I that has a mind can determine where I put my focus. And you can determine where you put your focus. So we begin to focus our mind now. Let's use the breath for this time. And just feel the breath as it flows in and flows out. That's all you got to do for just a little bit of time. Just feel your breath flowing in and flowing out. Try to feel it in your nasal passages. And you're going to start thinking about other stuff. Notice and bring it back to the breath. This is a practice of staying conscious. Conscious that I'm conscious. Focus on the breath now. And now as your breath flows in, let's add another element to concentration. As your breath flows in, mentally think the words, I am. And as your breath flows out, the word spirit, or if you want to use a different word, use a different word. I am on the inhalation, spirit on the exhalation. And again, when your mind wanders, just bring it back to the breath and the affirmation. Let's take a nice deep breath now. And just tune in now to whatever you might be feeling inside. Whatever draws your attention within you, just observe it. Just allow yourself to be present to it. Imagine now a wave on the ocean. See a wave rolling in toward the shore. What would it be like to be that wave? Imagine that for a moment. What would it be like to be a wave? Part of the whole ocean. And having the support and the power of that ocean moving you through the ocean as a wave. Kind of fun, huh? Well, imagine yourself now as part of the ocean of spirit. You're a wave in that ocean of spirit. And that ocean is moving through you. You're part of it, never separate. Supported, loved, embraced, empowered. Never alone. Part of the wholeness of everything. You're part of it. Whole and complete. And from this sense of our inner wholeness, our inner well-being, we see and project this awareness that we know for ourselves. We project that knowing for our loved ones and friends. And for a moment, as you allow the thought of your friends and family to pass through your mind, take a moment to see them in their highest potential. Perhaps represented, symbolic of seeing them radiant with light, representing their wholeness, representing them being a wave in the ocean of spirit where they are whole and complete and have access to the infinite mind of all good, because this is their highest reality. And from this awareness, we release them and trust that activity, that wholeness as it unfolds in their life in whatever way it needs to. And we see them radiant with light, representing healing, love, prosperity, strength, courage, tenacity, grit, all the good. And we expand our awareness to include our planet Earth. Feel that this inner well-being is enfolding every nook and cranny, every point of the earth, sending love and harmony and peace into the very crust of the earth, into the pores of the earth, pouring in love and light and healing, healing the planet, healing the environment, establishing peace and harmony in the environment, and into the animals, and into the plant life, and into the water, and into the oceans and the rivers, into the mountains, into the deserts, and pouring love and light and harmony into all people everywhere, everywhere, every soul, part of the ocean of spirit, a wave in the ocean. And I invite you now to join me, if you care to magnetize the palms of your hands by rubbing them together. And we're going to, I like to chant the sound of Om 3 times, feeling the energy flowing through me. You can use a different word if you choose. So we'll hold the palms up. And now feel the energy flowing through you. Peace. And we bring our awareness back to the body, back to the room where we are, hearing sounds around us, feeling the chair or the cushion beneath us, moving fingers and toes, hearing the sounds, and bringing this, letting You're not really having to bring it. Just allow and trust that this new consciousness is expressing through you. Let it be. Allow it. Keep yourself conscious and aware, and trust. And so it is. Amen.